People who canceled their wedding? What happened? It wasn't. I had been planning my wedding for months. Everything was in place. The dress, the venue, the guests. The excitement was palpable. My friends kept telling me how perfect it was going to be, how lucky I was. But then 2 days before the big day, my fiancé, let's call him Jake, told me something that made my heart drop. I can't do it, he said, looking pale and distant. I'm not ready for this. At first, I thought he was joking. I laughed, thinking maybe he was just nervous, but the look on his face told me this was real. He wasn't joking. The man I was about to marry suddenly became a stranger, and that's when the truth came out. He confessed that he had been seeing someone else, someone he'd been secretly in love with here, and the worst part, he'd been planning on leaving me the whole time, but guilt kept him from pulling the trigger until now. Couldn't believe it. The wedding was called off, but the emotional devastation, that lasted way longer than I ever expected. Jake walked away with no explanation, and all I had left was the shattered version of the life I thought we were going to share.